sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a project on the topic the parts of plant. As you know that the plant is living organism like us. There are so many parts in plant. They are flower, bud, stem and root. Let me start with root. The function of root is to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. There are two types of root. They are taproot and fibrous root. Taproot have main root and in the outer space there is lateral root, and in the fibrous root there is no primary root. And the next is stem. The function of stem is to conduct the water from the root and put to other parts of plant. And the stem hold the plant upright. And the next is leaf. The leaf is generally green in color. Leaf is also called the food factory of plant, and there are so many parts in leaf.
Hello?
Respected master sir, respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to talk about on the topic deficiency diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the person may not contain a particular nutrients. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Diseases that occur due to lack of our nutrients continues over a long period are called deficiency diseases. There are so many diseases like loss of vision, beriberi, scurvy, etc. First of all, I will explain one by one. Loss of vision. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Beriberi. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin B. Scurvy. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin D.
Hello?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Respected headmaster sir, respected teachers, and my dear friend. Today I am going to present a presentation on a topic, the taste of fat. We know each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. So, how we know which food contains which nutrients? So, today I am going to test for fat. Take a small quantity of food item and plain paper. Wrap it into the plain paper like this. And crush it. anyone then have anyone want to have this?
Anyone want to have this?
One of you can.
Yes.
So in the paper you can see some oily pads. So these oily pads indicates the presence of fat. So here I have another paper that is a little dried in the sunlight. So you can see in the paper there is oily pads. If that is not oily pads, then this is water, then that is already evaporated, but oil that but everyone knows the oil is not evaporated, so this oily patch indicates the presence of fat. So thank you. That is my presentation on test for fat. If you have any question regarding my topic, then you can ask.
Do you have questions about fat? Questions? You can ask.
Okay, Yambadur.
Questions.
Yambadur, ask.
Okay, Yambadur, wait. Yes.
What's the deficiency of fat?
What will happen if there is a deficiency of fat?
If we do not include fat in our diet, then our energy will vanish, and we will do not feel well. We do not feel well, and our health is also not good.
What's nutrients?
What is nutrients?
Nutrients is, we know each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients.